Well, good morning, guys. I hope everyone is having a good day so far. We are completing the second week of school. Sorry I'm not there with you, but I'm very thankful that Miss Ayada is with you today. Just a few classroom announcements I wanted to go through. Don't worry, those of you who have been here before, this is not a video lesson. Okay. Rules and procedures. Remember that now when you leave the room, that you have to sign in and sign out, or actually it's sign out of the room and then sign back in, and get a written pass. Please make sure that the passes come back and you put those in a Ziploc bag when you sign back in the class. Make sure that we are writing with pens, okay, not pencils. Scientists write with pens, and you are a scientist in this classroom. Also, your notebook should be up to date. In the Google Classrooms, I have included a table of contents for wildlife, and you need to go to that table of contents. It'll be a running table of contents, so we're just going to keep it up to date. Every time we do something new, it'll be there for you. Sorry, got a little happy with the switching there. You have a quiz on Monday. Your test is definitely going to be on Wednesday. Okay. Also, your field trips, there'll be a field trip coming in October. More on that later on once we get it official and finalized. Be prepared. Also remember that when it comes to field trips, your behavior is a major key. If you can't listen in class, I am not taking you on a field trip to show everybody that you cannot listen. Okay? All right, assignments for you. So there's a couple assignments we need to make sure get done. I will go to Switch Zoo in a minute. That's your latest assignment. But make sure you have, first I'm going to start at the bottom, the H assignment. If you look to the windows on the left-hand side, that is your H assignment. So you guys that are new may not have been able to do that just yet, but we got to make sure everybody gets that done. You are to draw 4 symbols that represent you, explain 2 of those symbols, and answer one of the following questions. Okay? If I could change anything in the world, what would it be and why? Or, what do you want your profession to be, and how does science play a part in that? If you have any questions on how that works, again, look to the left, walk up to some of their assignments and see what it looks like. Right now, you guys have 30 minutes in class toward the end. So if you need to finish your H assignment, do. Miss Ayada has a copy of the H's. All right, your example for your help wanted. So I'm going to post this example for you guys. Just give me 1 second. A lot happening on the screen, I know. So we're going to, your niche example, make sure that you are getting this done. This needs to be the first thing you do in that 30 minutes or whenever you finish your new assignment. Remember we did the water hunter. We have the characteristics. This could also be its skills. This is the requirements, the job it has to do, and the benefits. I'm going to put this on Google Classroom for you. Your other assignment was the zoo, the Switch Zoo. Okay, with the Switch Zoo, to help you guys out, this is not my, let me create one real quick. I'm going to create something totally awesome. Well, close to awesome as it's going to get for today. Oh, wow. Let's try something different. A giraffe. I like a giraffe there. All right, so I have the face of a great horned owl. I have the tail parts of a giraffe. The body of a giraffe, legs, and a zebra. So when it comes to researching this, you guys, and I know I showed this to the other period, if I type on great horned owl, it is going to come up and it's going to give me some information on that great horned owl. And that includes a little description, the scientific name, its diet, predators, okay? Other information about how long it lives. So it'll do that for each one of the body parts that I have. So I just looked up the horned owl, now I got the zebra. Well, guess what? It's going to tell me a little information about the zebra. So when I write my description and when I grade this paper, so when you're writing your description and I'm doing the grading, I am going to look for information on your animal, okay, to see if you use that background at all. Work on it as much as you can. We'll try to finish it up after your test if need be. Okay. I think that covers everything. Let me flip back to the screen. Yes, so your H assignment, get that done. Help wanted sign, that will put that in Google Classrooms for you, and this is on the board for you as well if you need to get back to that website. Okay, so you'll be working on this today, and you'll have time to do this and get your notebook straight, so no excuses. All right, stay safe. Love you guys. Have a good weekend.